Welcome to our guide on home upgrades that can transform your space into a more luxurious and elegant retreat. These enhancements not only elevate your living experience, but also add significant value to your home. Imagine wrapping yourself in a warm towel when you get out of the shower. Towel warmers are a perfect addition to any bathroom. They offer a touch of luxury and comfort that makes your daily routine and home life feel indulgent. In-floor heating is another upgrade that adds luxury and warmth to your home. This elegant feature ensures that your bathroom remains cozy during the colder months, creating a spa-like atmosphere you'll love. For entertainment enthusiasts, installing a projector can transform your living space into a luxurious home theater. Enjoy movie nights in style with a big screen experience that rivals the cinema. Upgrading to high-end appliances in your kitchen can elevate your home cooking experience. Stainless steel finishes and smart technology not only look elegant, but also enhance the functionality of your space. By incorporating these luxurious upgrades into your home, you can create an elegant environment that reflects your personal style, adds value to your home, and enhances your everyday living experience. For more information, you can visit our website at hdcbuild.com.